Hi guys. So today I'm gonna be reacting to the ladies code, the rain. Um, Again, I'm sorry for being late. I've been sick for a month, but I'm here to do this reaction. Unfortunately, I don't know much about ladies code, and like I'm not that into them because um when I got really into K-pop, they were going through that tragedy with their members have died from a car accident. Um, so that's why they've been debuting or I mean not coming with comebacks. So I didn't know much about them. So now that they're starting to come, the three of them started to come back. I don't even know. I don't know how to say like use come back. Yeah, come back. Come back in a sentence. I don't know how to use it. See, I'm like getting confused. Anyways, I that their last song that they came out, I love that song, and I'm really excited for this one. That one was really sad, and this one I feel like it's gonna be sad. So let's get to this. Here we go. 8:15. Oh, love their nails. Oh, that's a nice. That's nice. The umbrella. Look at all the flowers. This is beautiful. She's gorgeous. The outfits. Oh, fishes. I really love that umbrella. These umbrellas. This is like really different from other K-pop girl groups or songs. Oh my god, I like her. Beautiful. I'm guessing a lot of symbolism. It's like really classy. I don't know how to explain it. I need English subtitles. Rain and flowers. That's all I see. I could like feel it, cause like if if you guys know what happened with them, if anyone like know what happened with them and listens to this song, they understand. They're like, oh, I see what's going on, cause I could feel it, cause I knew about them, the background. So so it was really classy and like sad and like I don't know, different. So I really really loved it. And these English subtitles. Let me know in the comments down below what you guys thought. Love the outfit. Love this song, the beat, the choreo. I love the choreo too. So can't wait to watch this live. I enjoyed it like I did the last comeback, and I'm really sorry for them. And not sorry for them, but like like I'm sorry for their loss and um whoever's really into them. So I'm sorry if there were your biases that passed away. So yeah. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. I loved it. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.